Truffles are one of the most luxurious and versatile ways of eating chocolate. These are really easy to make and make the perfect homemade gifts for Christmas, Diwali or just any occasion. Truffles are basically made with chocolate and cream, so you could say that these are balls of ganache made even better. You'll find different methods and recipes for making truffles. Truffles can be made with milk chocolate, dark chocolate or white chocolate. You could add in complementary flavors like orange, coffee, rum or port or whiskey or brandy, whatever you wish. You can roll the truffles in desiccated coconut or some chopped nuts. You could also dip them in some melted chocolate. You could also keep it really simple and just roll them in some cocoa powder the traditional way. Today we'll make some basic truffles with some dark chocolate. This is simple as you will see, but the proportions are important or your truffles may not set well enough. Please do remember, if you make truffles with white or milk chocolate, the proportion of the chocolate and the cream will vary. So here is what we need to make some truffles. This recipe is based on David Lebowitz's recipe from his book Ready for Dessert, a fabulous book. So here we have some dark chocolate which is finely chopped. As you can see, I have taken the chopping finely a little too seriously. We need the chocolate to melt completely so that we get some smooth truffles. That is why I have chopped it so fine. And then here I have some cream. I'm using Amul with 25% fat. You could also use heavy cream, organic if you can find. And here we have some unsalted butter at room temperature. I have cut this into pieces. And for rolling the truffles in, I have some finely chopped pistachios, some desiccated coconut here, and then some Dutch processed cocoa from Cocoa Craft. So now we'll heat this cream in this heavy saucepan here. I have drained all the liquidy part from the Tetra Pak and taken only the thick cream. We'll heat the cream on low heat. While the cream is heating, we will take this chocolate in this bowl here. Be sure the cream doesn't burn. We need the cream to come to a boil. This may take a couple of minutes and this isn't really the time to take that phone call. You'll see bubbles here and there. Now we'll take this off the heat and we will pour this hot cream over the chocolate. We will let this sit for a minute and then stir it with a spatula gently to melt the chocolate. The chocolate should melt fully, but just in case it doesn't melt, you could put this into the microwave for a few seconds to help melt the chocolate fully. Now we'll add in the butter and stir till it is well combined. If you'd be using rum or port, you could stir it in now. And now we'll whisk this gently. We are not whisking to create any air in here. We just want this to become a smooth and shiny emulsion. Whisking this gently to make it shiny and smooth is an important step in the recipe. And now we'll transfer this to this shallow container here. We will cover this and refrigerate it until it is firm, about 3 hours or longer if it is convenient to you. So after refrigerating this overnight, I made this yesterday. This is how it looks like. It will be fairly firm. You need it to be firm. It will be easier to shape it. We will take 2 spoons. We don't need this to be even in size, so it works even better. You could also use a melon baller for this. So we'll roll these. You don't need these to be perfectly round. If you find this very soft, if needed, you could refrigerate this for about 15 minutes at this point and then get them back to roll them into the cocoa and the other things here. I'm going to be rolling them straight away. We'll roll some in some pistachios. And a couple of these in the coconut. And a couple of these in the cocoa powder. The truffles rolled in cocoa can be placed in a strainer, and we will just shake it gently to remove the excess cocoa. And so our truffles are ready. We will refrigerate these until serving time. Coming up are a couple of more recipes for Christmas. Please subscribe, please stay tuned.